everyone, I'm Jeremy T. Kamara, and today we're gonna be learning some HTML. Let's dive in. So today we're gonna be learning HTML semantic tags and HTML lists and table just in 7 minutes. So we hoped we get the time. So let's go. First, we're gonna start with semantic HTML tag. Semantic HTML tag. What are semantic HTML tags? Semantic HTML tag are HTML tags that tells us what the content inside them means. So semantic HTML tags are HTML tags that tells we, the coders, the users, that even the browser, what the codes or the statement that is in the HTML tags means. So they help both the browser or the developer understand the structure of the web page, like I was saying. It help us understand the structure because they explain why all the codes that within that web editor that is used to create that web page means. So then instead of just using the div tag for just everything, we can use these simple semantic HTML tags that are going to help us make our coding life easier. Like we can use the header, we use the nav, we use the mean, we use the footer, and there are many other more. So now, why should we use semantic HTML tag? We should use semantic HTML tag one because they makes your code easier to read. There isn't a point like while you are coding and you got a H2 tag. Not many people will know what H2 tag means, but if you have a semantic tag above the H2 tag, which is the header tag, when someone see that semantic tag, which is the header tag under that H2 tag, that writing that's not issue is the header or the heading of your web page or website. Then next is that they help the search engine know what your content is about. Like once you have semantic tags within your coding, it helps the search engine identifies your work quickly. Like it gives you more accessibility, like in terms like once the query the search engine understands your work quickly, like all of a sudden you can get a much views and like people facing your website constantly. Next thing is that they help the screen reader understand the page better and which give great accessibility. Like semantic tags help the organization of your website hit another level. Like where each paper based explanation text or header telling the browser or the user what they are looking at. Like this is bring more accessibility, like where you got a web page or pressing visit your web page and everything is well arranged, like any form of paragraph to see there's something telling them what is this paragraph, what is this paragraph about. Like you get like they be recommending your website to people like this website is it like some like yeah, like here's an example of some data. We got article, we got header, see, and yeah, you can see H1. My blog post or the header is telling you that the H1 is the head is or header, and now you get the P1. The P1 is a quote. The P within the P1, the code that we type a quote. Then the first one now is there indicating that this quote was written by so and so. This quote was written by so and so. So now this is like what user is trying to your page, and then they see that they will know that this code already marked. So what it is, so for instance, if a person want to go code that out, they will not they will say then they can make reference to the person. So this is all the great use of semantic tags. So semantic HTML tags make website more organized, easier to understand, and better for everyone. So next time you trying to build your website, try using some semantic tags instead of using that div tag and enjoy a better website. Now let's move on to list and table. So there are three types of HTML lists. We got the order list, we got an order list, and we got a description list. So first, the order list. The order list is an HTML list that categorizes each item by using numbers. An order list is created by using the OL tag. As you can see in this description, this is an order list that we are creating about common coding languages. And here you see we start with our opening OL tag, which is our opening order list tag, and within this opening OL tag we have our LI tag, which is our list tag. You can always create an order list by using, or any other list by using an LI tag. If you don't use an LI tag, your list won't display. So within the OL tag, we have our LI tag, and within the LI tag, we have the item that we want in the list, as you can see. So like we got 3 items, we got HTML, we got JavaScript, and we got CSS. So you see each of the items are within our LI tag, and then we'll close it. Then on other list is similar to other list. The only difference is that other list has to do with numbers, and other list has to do with bullets. And on other list uses the UL tag, which is the other list tag, while other list uses the OL tag. So on other list basically has the same format as you can see here. This is our other list of our favorite fruits. So as you can see, we first start with the UL tag, open UL tag, and then we have our LI tag. Within the LI tag, we got an apple, banana, cherries. Then it's a closing tag. Next, we move on to what description list. Description list, this is the most sophisticated list because they got more things within it, they got more options within it. Like all description list is a list that helps you to discuss or give detail of the item within the list. Of the item within the list, a description list. Give detail of the item within the list. So as we can see here, this is our description list of a business that do gift packaging. So this list is being created to give up the item and then discuss it. So as you can see here now, when you are starting the description list, we're going to start firstly with the DL tag. This DL tag is the opening tag for any description list. Next from the DL tag is a DD tag. DD tag is the item that you want on the list. The item you want on the list will hold the DD tag, as you can see. Then we're going to have a DD tag. The DD tag is the tag that discuss or give whatsoever detail. It is the description detail tag. This tag gives whatsoever detail you want to give about the item, as you can see. So with a description list, the DD tag and the DG tag are all formed within the DL tag. So let's say for instance, you want like 3 to 4, 5 items on your list. You want to list them and discuss them. So it means that you want to have each item going to have its own DT tag and DD tag. Each item going to have its own DT tag and DD tag. For those 5 items, each item going to have its own DD tag and DD tag. So if you want to get our description list, just follow this code pattern, save it, preview in your browser. You're going to have yourself a splendid description list that will going to make your website more attractive. Next, we move on to table. Table is used to display data in rows and columns. We all know that it's a general definition of table. Table is used to display rows in data and columns. So, in order to get a table on your web browser, you're going to first start using the table tag, which is the table tag. The table tag, which is the tag, the foot is going to be open the entire table. As you can see here, so here is the table tag. Within the table tag, there's a TR tag, which is the table row tag. And within that table row tag, there's a TH tag. This TH tag is the tag that pay host to the item or the names that are going to be at the heading part of the table, like the categories you want to create on the table. This is the tag that holds those categories. Like you see, for this, we creating a category for name, age, and address, as you can see. So after that, you're going to close that TR tag and open another TR tag, but the next TR tag you're opening is for the data. This table, this tag is for the data. And within the TR tag, you're going to get a TD tag, which is the table data tag. Within the table data tag is where you're going to import the data for the categories you open in the first TR tag, in the TH tag, the table header tag. So the category you open in the first TR tag, their data is formed in this, they are formed within this next TR tag and in this TD tag, table data tag. Where now, as you can see, we got John, we got 25, and the address, which is what Proville. So after all that, you're going to close that with table tag. So in simple form is that we use the table tag to start a table. We use the TR tag to create a row, and we use the TH tag for a header cell and the TD tag for the data cell. Simple. So like you can even merge cells using the TR tag, the TD tag, and the concept and to merge TD tag to TR closes. So that's it. Thank you for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out.